Hello friends, how's you? So this is what I basically shop from Plum Good. The purpose behind I shop is because my hair is so frizzy, my hair is so damaged, so dull, so very difficult to manage. So I ordered this product to manage my hair, to add some more self life to my hair, to protect my hair. So this is avocado hair mask for dull and frizzy hair. Look at this packaging, guys. How cute is this? So now next is macadamia olive hair mask. This is also for my hair type. This is actually avocado conditioner. मुझे ये फ्री मिला है. लिटरली ये काफ़ी हैवी लग रहा है. This is Plum Good Vitamin C toner for face. This is also free for me. And this is avocado hair conditioner. And this is vitamin C face moisturizer. It is also free for me. सो ये सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो मैंने ऑर्डर किया था और मुझे इसमें 3 प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो फ्री मिले हैं. मैंने प्लम गुड से 50% के सेल पे ऑर्डर किया था, तो मुझे 3 प्रोडक्ट्स फ्री मिला है. Ta-da! Please like, share, subscribe and comment to my channel. Bye bye, take care.